Hello everyone, it's Nutandeep and welcome to my channel. So, if you think about how to speak English and how can you have the hold onto this language, what do you think? What do you exactly think? Do you think about the grammar? Do you think about the sentence formation or vocab? I think we should think about the idea, the concept, the thoughts, the perception, whatever we need to convey, whatever we need to deliver the thoughts and ideas, we should talk about that. Also, we should think about that. Because when we think about the thoughts and ideas, that will definitely keep on running into our mind. We just don't need to think very carefully. It just come automatically. So I think we should think about the ideas, the thoughts, whatever you want to deliver. Because when it comes to talk in our mother tongue, what we do at that moment, we just start speaking without giving it a second thought, and we just start speaking. We never ever think what we should, talk about and what we should not talk about. We every time we just blurt out. Sometimes it is emotionally a feeling, okay, and sometimes it is the topic of practically. So the thing is, which I want to deliver to you, which is the thoughts, the ideas, what you think, what ideas are going into your mind. Just think about that so-called idea, not the sentence formation or the vocab or the exact word. I think we should focus on the exact thought, exact idea. That's it. I think it will going to help you. I think the thoughts should be clear into your mind. Whatever you are delivering, your thoughts, your ideas should be crystal clear in your mind, so that you could deliver the exact idea to the person you are talking with. So it's not that tough. And the thing that you need to care about, which is your confidence. Are you enough confident to talk in English? It sounds crazy sometimes, because if you are a beginner, how could you start speaking in just a jiffy? It can't happen in a day. Definitely it takes time, but yes, you need to focus on to practicing. You need to keep on practicing to enhance your speaking skills. This is a thing you need to keep into your mind. Just inculcate it every time, and don't think about the grammar and the sentence formation is needed here, yes, but don't think about the grammar and the concrete vocab. Because uh, if I talk about myself, I never thought about the grammar. uh, Sometimes I do lots of mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and sometimes I don't find the exact word. Then I substitute that word to the other word. Okay, so you can do also like this. It's not that tough. And think about the thoughts. If you are having a conversation with someone, and whatever the conversation it may be, so you need to think about the thoughts, the idea, the perception. That's it. And try to form the sentences in English. And definitely it takes time. So start it today and start forming some simple sentences in your mind, and talk with someone. Or if you are not finding out someone to talk with, then talk with yourself. Also, when it comes to talk, then don't talk into your mind inwardly. You just talk, but out loud. So it will definitely going to very beneficial, and it definitely will be. So try to have the ideas, the perception towards anything, and you can start with simple things. It could be anything, but the thing is needed here is your, of course, your confidence. If you are hesitant and you are not, gathering that courage to talk in English, and initially you are hesitating and you are just stumbling that there is nothing which can be workable for you. So if you want to do excel in this language, then definitely you need to do lots of practicing. But the practicing is what? About speaking. You need to enhance your speaking skill. So talk whenever it is needed, but out loud, so that you could hear yourself, whether you are pronouncing wrong or right, or whether you are getting hesitant. These type of things you can do while practicing. So I hope you like this video. So for today I'll take your leave. Thank you.